Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by coshx plus sinhx on numerator and denominator. Next, this one in here, we have coshx square minus sinhx square. Next, we have the formula in here. This one equals to number 1, so we can simplify. Next, we know that sinhx multiplied by coshx and sinhx. Next, we have the formula in here. 2 sinhx coshx equal to sin 2x. Now, because we don't have number 2, so we can add like this, 2 over 2. So 2 sinhx coshx we change by this one. Now we have the next formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we have the final answer. The integration of sin 2x, we have 1 over 2 cos 2x. The integration of cos 2x, we have 1 over 2 sin 2x. The integration of 1 over 2, we have x over 2, and I will put about c. So this one we have 1 over 4 cos 2x. This one we have 1 over 4 sin 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.